Hi there everyone, this is Melissa from DJ Event Planner. Today we're covering the changelog topics from November 4th through November 25th, 2019. To begin, we will look at the features that have been added with this update. A new setting for basic level employee access was added called Webmaster Access. This is set on a per employee basis by going to Main Menu, Employees, find the employee, click on Quick Edit, go to the Permissions tab, and find Webmaster Access. This will give a basic level employee access to the website tools, settings, and the Get Code page. This setting is useful for giving access to your webmaster without giving them administrator access. We have added Equipment Manager to event preview options for your calendar. To select this option, click on Settings on your monthly calendar, or go to Setup, Application, Calendar. Next, click on the Event Preview tab, scroll down to the Your Choices section, and under General Information, you will find the option called Assigned Equipment. We have also added the option to include booking helpers to Event Preview as well. That option is found under the header Quick Link Buttons. You can now customize the color of the booking helper buttons on a per booking helper basis. This can be set up when you make the booking helper under Setup, Application, Booking Helpers. When you choose to add the booking helper as a button, you will see the options for background and text color for that particular button. We have also added a new setting to hide booking helpers based on package and add-ons. This is set under the General tab of the Booking Helper setup. And you can now run a booking helper when an add-on or package is added to a new or existing event. You can set that up under the Automation tab of the Booking Helper setup page. You can now trigger booking helpers via the scheduled email system. Go to Setup, Emails, Add or edit a template, and then go to the Scheduling tab. Scroll to the bottom under the Update Event Detail heading, and you can set a booking helper to run when the scheduled email is sent. You can now create custom alerts based on the number of events on a given day with a specified event status. Go to Setup, Application, Alerts. The message is customizable, as is the text color and background color. These alerts appear on the Event Reports page. The custom alerts now appear on the right-hand day panel of the calendar. You now have the ability to search in the SMS Hub features. Go to SMS, All Messages or My Messages, and you can now search for specific contacts within your inbox by typing the contact name, contact type, contact ID number, such as the client ID, or you can search by formatted and non-formatted phone numbers such as these. When sending links or image links via text, you will now be able to click on the links within the SMS Hub. Images will also show in the chat history within DJ Event Planner rather than just a link. Next, go to Setup, Documents, create an e-signature document, then go to the e-signature tab. It is now possible to send SMS notifications to the master administrator, the assigned salesperson, or a custom number when an e-signed document is signed by the client. If you're based in the US, Canada, or the UK, you can set this up without having SMS enabled on your account already. If you're outside of those countries, you will require Twilio to be set up. For the IMAP incoming emails, when adding an email to Contact Manager, previously only a link to the IMAP message was stored. This caused problems if the message was deleted. We now store the email content along with the link to the original message. This allows the original messages to be stored and viewed even if the email is deleted from your email server. Also for IMAP email, when an email comes in and a tracker is found, so the email matches someone within your database, a plus icon will now show next to their name. You can click this to quickly add the email to their contact manager, alleviating the multiple clicks previously required. The option to assign to Contact Manager is still available via the three-dot menu if you wish to assign to a different contact than the one found in the tracker. We have added a new view to the Events Reports page called Accordion View. You can now change to that view by going to Setup, Application, Event Form, then the Layout tab. You can change to Accordion View for both desktop and mobile views, and once you have made and saved the changes, go to an event in your system, and you will now see the event details page in this view. Click on the section you want to view, and it will expand to the details. You can now assign equipment to packages and add-ons. Go to Setup, Packages or Add-ons, choose your package or add-on, then Edit. Under the Assigned Equipment tab, choose your system or standalone equipment as needed. Once saved within the package or add-on, when you add that item to the financials in an event, the equipment is automatically assigned to that event. We have added a location field to Equipment Systems so you can track where your system is located in your inventory warehouse. Go to Setup, Equipment, then Systems. In Edit mode, you can add a location to the system information. Merge tags were added for this as well, and they can be found under the Systems field in Merge Tags and the Merge Tag Wizard. We have added a warning about having more than 100 recipients for scheduled employee-based email templates. Having more than 100 recipients bogged down the email system, which caused other scheduled emails to not send correctly. We have added a new button which allows you to reassign contacts, appointments, and to-do items to different events. To reassign one of these, open the item, then choose the Event Picker button at the top right. Next, choose which event you want to reassign the information. And for the final addition to the software during this time period, go to Website Tools, Payment Gateway, Settings, and choose your payment processor. At the bottom, you are able to choose an email template to send to the client. If we are able to 100% confirm an event ID after payment is made, the standalone payment page will now send your selected email to the client. Now, on to the changes that have taken place in this time period. We've made various small visual tweaks within the software in the SMS Hub and the CP window, and also for the iframe for e-signature documents, which will help with responsive documents. And finally, here are the items that were fixed during this update, November 4th through November 25th, 2019. Please note the continued changes and improvements to our beta features. As always, you can find the latest updates to our change log by logging in to your DJ Event Planner account and clicking on the Support Options button on the left-hand menu. You can now view the change log in full window view by clicking on View the Change Log option.